Thanks for coming to Circle Time today. We'll start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job. Okay, now we can sing our days of the week. Let's stomp our feet today. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, my friends, let's sing our months. We'll start way up here. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, now it's time to count. I think that today we should count really, really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And today is number 21. Today is Thursday, May 21st. Thank you for counting along with me. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.